Hello beautiful people and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the PuroAir HEPA 14 Air Purifier for home. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get down to business. The PuroAir HEPA 14 Air Purifier is an absolute game changer when it comes to air purification. Not only does it cover a whopping 1,115 square feet, but it also cleans the air in just 67 minutes. Say goodbye to pet dander, smoke, allergens, dust, odors, and mold spores. This powerhouse purifier filters up to 99.99% of these pesky particles, leaving you with nothing but clean, crisp air. Backed by science and certified by renowned institutions such as CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and Energy Star, the PuroAir HEPA 14 Air Purifier is the real deal. It's been tested and proven to capture fine particulate matter down to 0.1 microns, ensuring that you and your loved ones only breathe in the best quality air. Not to mention, this purifier cleans the air automatically thanks to its smart particle sensor. It also comes with handy features such as a timer, fan speed controls, sleep mode, filter replacement indicator, and child lock, making it perfect for the whole family, including kids and pets. So, if you're ready to breathe easier, improve your allergies, asthma, and sleep quality, I highly recommend checking out the PuroAir HEPA 14 Air Purifier. You can find the link to purchase this life-changing product in the description box below. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and as always, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and breathe easy with PuroAir.